Guys, how are you? Hope all are doing well. So welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to share with all of you, if you have a Toyota Rav 2013 to 2017 model and you want to install aftermarket head unit Android, and how you can install it, what's about the wiring combination, each and everything I'm going to share with all of you. So the thing is that the special thing is that in this video I'm going to share with all of you, if you have a factory camera and you want to convert it into an aftermarket unit, so how you can do it, what's about the wiring combination, each and everything I'm going to share with all of you. And thanks a lot, and just keep supporting us, keep loving us, and let's get started towards the video.
Brother, bring.
This car.
Yeah, Rav4. Yeah, okay.
Original with empty back?
Huh?
Original have empty back?
No, have run before.
This last time you all asked me also this car.
But
same.
Last time, before 2 days, 3 days. This one is no have for complete.
So going to install this one. This is 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM. Okay, as you can see, I have aftermarket frame as well. This is Rav4 Toyota. Okay, so हाँ ये वाला लगाना है, पता नहीं. This is Rav4. Okay, the gray color. This is 9 inches. So I will fix all of the edges, all screws, flip screws, small. उसको बताया हुआ है पहले ही कि ये ऐसा और ये पुराना है और ये चीज़ है. So this is factory air vents, as you can see, and there is a clips. Have to remove all of these clips. Okay, and then fix the air vent over there. As you can see, this is 16 model, so we have adjustment. Okay, but in this model we don't have. Okay, so this is the way we move. अनस ये उस तरफ का, ये उस तरफ का. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड. हाँ ये उस तरफ का, ये इस तरफ का. I will show you how you can remove. These are clips. Okay, so this is the way you can remove. So simple, you can adjust. So I will tell you one more thing. This is, we have factory camera, so we want to check the wires. Okay, I will tell you the wiring combination as well about the factory wire, and you can able to convert it into aftermarket factory unit. Okay, so first of all I will tell you this is the harness. Okay, this is big सिकान है ना इसके अंदर. हाँ, this is for big steering control. These are speakers. Okay, this is for antenna, and this is for main power and front speakers. Okay, there is a camera harness. I will tell you the same similar camera harness is on a steering harness. उस तरफ देखो तो नहीं पड़ा. ये क्या नहीं, ये है क्या ये? This is for reverse. Okay, signal. The green one on a similar harness on steering control. तो उसमें क्या कहते हैं, वाइट जो सी वो अर्थ है और ब्लैक है वो जो सी वीडियो है ना.
नहीं, ब्लैक गेरी है.
हाँ गेरी,
लेकिन इसमें रेड अर्थ है, वाइट.
ओके, दिस इज फॉर रिवर्स सिग्नल एंड दिस इज फॉर कैमरा हार्नेस. White one can see. ये क्या? White क्या? Red वाली? And this is for ground camera, the red one, and white would be the power. No. White जो सी है वो कौन सी है? White क्या? Okay, so I will show you. These are 3 wires. Yellow would be the video, black would be the earth ground, and the red is power. Okay, so the white we connect with the video. That one is video, camera video factory, and the red would be the ground. There is another wire on the another harness, green one. That one is a signal for reverse, would be the power, red. Red is ground, white is video, and red is connected with the green for signal of video. और ये ब्लैक किस चीज़ का? गिरिया black is also a reverse. Okay, so green connect with the black reverse. Your the back of factory harness, aftermarket harness for a signal of reverse.
لا لا ما في ستاير ما
Everything is working. Okay, the factory camera we convert into aftermarket head unit. So this is the wiring combination, each and everything. And thank you so much everyone, just keep supporting us, keep loving us. As you can see, this is real shape. Thanks a lot. This is Toyota Rav4 2016 model.